If you're looking for a clear view of your business finances all in one dashboard, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to consolidate your financial data and get the insights you need without bouncing between different software or spreadsheets. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to track your income, expenses, profits, and more with just a few clicks. Now, I've tested a lot of popular software out there to help you get a clear view of your business finances, and I'm going to share the best one with you. The software we'll be using today makes it easy to pull in data from multiple sources and give you a real-time snapshot of your financial health in one dashboard. I've even got an exclusive free trial for you, so if you want to follow along, check out the link in the description below. First, let's talk about what makes a clear view of your business finances so crucial. If you're a business owner, you need to have full visibility over your cash flow, profits, and losses to make informed decisions. Without a centralized dashboard, you're left with data scattered across multiple tools, making it harder to track where you stand. The first step to setting up your dashboard is connecting all your financial accounts. This includes your bank accounts, payment processors, and accounting software. The software we're using makes this incredibly simple, allowing you to link everything with just a few clicks. You don't have to worry about manually entering data anymore. Once everything is connected, your transactions will automatically sync. Next, organize your dashboard by setting up categories or buckets for your financial data. You might want separate categories for expenses, sales, payroll, and other key business metrics. This allows you to see exactly where your money is going and how much you're making in different areas of your business. The software makes it easy to set up these categories and see real-time data in each one. Now let's dive into the key metrics you should track on your dashboard. Cash flow is the most important one. It shows you how much money is coming in versus going out. Make sure to have an overview of your sales, expenses, and profits at a glance. You should also track your accounts receivable and accounts payable, so you know when payments are due or when you're owed money. Another great feature of this software is its ability to set up automated financial reports. This means rather than having to manually generate reports at the end of the month, the software will do it for you, keeping you updated on how your business is performing without any extra work on your part. By the way, if you're wondering why this software, it's because it's simple, intuitive, and connects all your financial data into one easy-to-use dashboard. Trust me, I've tried several tools, and this is by far the most effective for keeping everything in one place. So, what's the key takeaway here? To get a clear view of your business finances, you need to centralize all your financial data into one dashboard. This will save you time and help you make more informed decisions. And the best part? You can do it all without bouncing between multiple platforms. To quickly recap, first, connect all your financial accounts. Second, categorize your financial data. Third, track key metrics like cash flow, sales, and expenses. Lastly, set up automated financial reports so you're always in the loop. Before you go, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I mentioned earlier. It's in the description below. Just follow the link to start using the software and get a clearer view of your business finances today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.